In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluestacks app player not opening. If you've ever tried to launch Bluestacks and it just won't start, don't worry. You're in the right place. Follow this step-by-step guide carefully, and you should be able to get it working again in just a few minutes. First, from your desktop, look for the Bluestacks Multi-Instance Manager. You can double-click it if it's already on your desktop. If it's not there, simply search for it in the Windows search bar by typing Bluestacks Multi-Instance Manager. Once you open it, you'll see a list of Bluestacks instances or apps that you have installed. Next, locate the instance you want to fix. You'll see a small gear icon. Click on it. This will open the settings for that particular instance. Here, you want to go to the Performance tab, which controls how Bluestacks interacts with your computer's hardware. Under the Graphics section, you'll see the Graphics Engine mode. By default, it might be set to Compatibility mode, but sometimes that causes the app not to open. You can change it to Performance mode or try the other option if Performance mode doesn't work. This adjustment allows Bluestacks to better utilize your computer's graphics capabilities and usually solves the startup issue. After making the change, don't forget to click Save Changes. Once saved, it's a good idea to refresh or restart your PC or laptop to make sure the new settings take effect properly. Then, simply try launching Bluestacks again. Most of the time, this method resolves the problem completely. If it still doesn't open, make sure your graphics drivers are updated, as outdated drivers can sometimes prevent Bluestacks from starting. You can update your drivers via the device manager or by visiting the manufacturer's website. And that's it. By adjusting the graphics engine and performance settings in Bluestacks Multi-Instance Manager, you can fix the issue of Bluestacks not opening in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!